okay, is this live? I don't think I want to wear this. Let me change this glasses, Jesus. I don't like this. Yeah, I'm really no one try the no glasses thing because when I'm wearing the glasses sometimes I can look like Whoopi Goldberg because I don't really have much eyebrows. It's like a family thing, so. Bruh. What's up, Berritos? Welcome to the Dutty Berry Uncut Challenge. What? Wow, Berry, this is my first video and I started off like that. But hey, guys, why am I nervous for my own channel? Like, honestly, let me try this again. Hi, Berritos, welcome to the Dutty Berry Uncut Channel. You know, from when I decided I really want to start this vlog channel, but for some reason, I was just so, is it nervous? Me just did anxious, me just did all kind of little anxiety that take me up for just do this channel because I mean, I feel like it is just going to be a very different space for me. Oh yeah, so I'm just going to dig up my nose for my video. Wow, I'm just doing all of these things for this video, but I'm just gonna make it run. I don't care. My business. If you don't want to watch me dig up my nose for 2 minutes, we're not gonna watch it because of that the content for me I make right now. Boo pickings. Well, yeah, so this is a Dutty Berry Uncut channel, and you know, from when we this want to start it because I really want a channel where we can just talk about who I am as a person. Because you know, you don't follow me, but I don't really feel like you don't know me, and part of that is my own fault because I don't really want everybody to know me. Like honestly, I'm very protective of my personal space and just like, yeah, I just stay from a long time, but I'm going to just have this space to just like show you a little bit more of who I am. Come and feel so the time has come. Okay?
You're healthy, you're strong, you look good, you have all of the something about you. Yes, goody!
And so, you know, who am I? I think I am shy. Only for people who don't understand and believe I'm shy, but I'm very shy. I love to eat, and so why I kind of put on the little quarantine weight because yeah. But I need to work off my leg. Then I have some elephantitis legs. Like it's just like ridiculous.
Can I lie? Can I fucking lie?
But yeah, I love to eat, and I also love to just like feel like more of some love to inspire my friends, the persons who know me. Know that every time I have a conversation at some point in time, I feel like I need to have a meaningful moment. That's the MM. Like if you do not have a friend who have meaningful conversations with you and have like a meaningful moment, the friend that don't make sense. And I feel like say I just some stay now, and the older I get is the more I have to tap into that side. And yeah, that's a part of me. I also do realize say I have a whole heap of different sides. Alright, drop it. Whoa, somebody just drop this. I have a whole heap of different sides. And I'm okay with that. I think usually I never did okay with that, but I have so many different sides. I'm I'm not gonna say very intelligent, that's something like a stretch, but I love to learn, I love knowledge, I love to expose myself to just like, you know, like different cultures, different lessons, like as some say. I do have a spiritual side. I feel like I want to tap into that spiritual side because it kind of go on dormant of late. And I'll do a video talking about that as well. I love my friends. I have very few friends, but the friends who are there, them all ambitious. I don't have no workless friends. I spit pan like Kaylis and workless friend.
When is that ever okay?
I like my friends now. I like my friends them for a little tubes of Kaylis, but I love to know say yo, when them Kaylis, them 99% like yo, ambitious and hardworking. And them just have the little bit of rare, but for the most part them productive. Like I like them people there in my circle. And I am also somebody who I love to create. I love to create content, and so over here, so I am so excited for do all kind of content when I couldn't really do on the other channel, the main channel. But feel like over here now, I have the freedom to just color and just be as reckless and as innovative as I want to, without judgment. Come on, I think we don't really judge me over here.
Well.
And what else do I want to share about myself? Do I want to say this? Like, I've noticed for a long time, some have a little inner skittle, and I don't really want to talk about it that much. Me talk about it in our future videos. That's serious. And also, making the effort to be more, I don't know why I talk about it. I am making the effort to be a little bit more grown up and a little bit more sexual.
Come just at more try to understand what really I keep Yasakada dance a lock off and a permit name grant.
Because I feel like I'm still operating like a kid, and I'm very innocent to many things and to a lot of things, and I feel like I feel like that is not cool, and I am really trying to kind of change that and to just like, you know, to just I don't, what am I saying? To just like experience life a little bit more, and to have some adventures in my life. Because I feel like I'm just too button up and button and tie and them look at something they like. My need for just like broke out.
Father God, what is he?
I don't think I know how to fully and properly broke out, but I feel that I need to broke out. Like I can't even curse. I don't really curse like expletives. I can't do none of them look at something there, and I feel like it's not something I want to do it, but I just feel like I need to make a little attempt for broke out a little bit. Like I don't think nobody who knows me like even thinks like I really curse, or just like, I don't know. People always assume say, yo, I'm just like a Christian and I like a church youth, and they're not far from the truth, but that's what they really usually just like believe, that I just walk around with like this big halo over me. But yeah, so that's my little intro for this Dutty Berry Uncut Channel. I want to hear from you, Burritos. What do you expect to see? It is Vlogmas, so I'll be vlogging for every single day starting today. Like I'll be posting a video for every day on this channel up until the 25th of December. So look out for the vlogs them. I have some stuff with me and keeping up with Janelle. I have something with me and Yardman Ethan. I have, content more for the other YouTubers. Let me know what kind of YouTubers you want me to collaborate with. So when you watch now, realize that I don't have no intro. I don't have an intro on this. Not yet, but I'm going to find an intro and an intro song. I'm going to put all of that together and show on the process. How do you even wrap up? And I need a little catchphrase. Like, Wagwan Uncut Squad. No, Uncut Squad, that sound like something else. It sound kind of, Hey, what's up, Uncut Squad? What's up, DBU Massive? Oh no, I need to find our name feed. What's up? No, we need to find one intro. Like I need to find this to say, what's up, DBU Unit? How's that? Like this work? Like does that work? I need to. What's up, DBU Squad? No, that feel like me a borrow from Kavan. What's up, DB? What's up, DBU?
Fool in the chat, tell me.
Feel free to just like at me on Twitter and give me a good suggestion, like what can I have as my little, the little name for this channel for like the people who follow this channel. And how should I say it? Like at me on Twitter and on Instagram so I can kind of hear a suggestion. Me gonna say, what's up, DBU Unit? Oh wow, that's really awful. But no. As I said, I have so many things in store for this channel, and I'm very excited to just start. And this is the first day of Vlogmas, so hopefully you enjoy the video. Make sure you go, turn on your post notification, hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe, because over here some more reach the the 2,000 subscribers. Become a new channel. I'm like some of a new channel, so I can feel like a new YouTuber again, like a virgin. Ooh.
Red flag.
Oh, and all of this video is not going to be like this, because this is a green screen, as you can, because me not really show my house yet, because my house look like my house. You can look for my house and know say one man live here. Like it just look like you just know say you know say a man live here. Like it just look like some like a cave place. Like right now, everything just look like Rumpelstiltskin. Like I saw the name say a summer yard look. So for this moment, you will be seeing green screen until I finally get Rushlin or convince her for just kind of, do up my little space a little bit. So yeah, we will see that on the channel. So In the meantime, I just feel like I just stay some like a different place here, man. So hold on. Alright, yeah?
My friend.
But anyway, that is it. DBUU. Yeah, that not really gonna work with it. But yeah, that's it. Peace out.
Yeah. My virgin.